Let's keep going. Level 3, go to the drafts, select the template, hit remix, quickly hit save, and change this to level 3. Okay, for this, I kind of just want to duplicate this big one here like that. Let's go ahead and move this over here. Trying to remember, did we add candy to level 2? Let's hit save. Let's go back to level 2, take a look. Unlisted, level 2. We can just play it. Yeah, level 2 is full of a lot of candy. And let's go and let's go to drafts, level 3, hit edit. Okay, in this one, we're just gonna have a lot of spikes. That looks to not be on the correct Z plane. Take 2 fingers and it's not. So we're gonna tap it, select the blue arrow, which is for the Z axis. Do something like that. Put it over here. So I kind of want like a jump, jump, jump. And again, get it on the right Z axis. Jump, jump, under. So if you accidentally do double jump, game over. And then jump, under. And then we'll do a Z or half, a row. Okay, let's just test this out. Jump, jump, under, jump, under. Cool. And then we'll put that spike right in the middle to give the game a little twist. So I like how that speed jump makes you have to plan your jump a little bit nice, but that last flying triangle seems to make it extra difficult, which could be a good thing or a bad thing. The best way to find out is through multiple playtesting. I think we might need to remove it. Yeah. Let's go ahead and we can move it kind of like this. Oh, still kind of difficult. So let's just get rid of this one and we'll have it so you basically don't want to jump. And then you want to jump over that last one over here. And move this out a little bit more. We can add a 5 block. That let's play test. Okay. I like the way that's shaping out. It is a little bit more difficult than the other levels. Okay, so let's go ahead and move these 2 triangles up. Moving those 2 triangles up will make it so you need to jump sooner, causing you to avoid that obstacle that we keep crashing into. That's the goal anyways. Let's find out if it works. Okay, it does. And right there where we crashed, all we needed to do was not jump. So I think this level is complete. Well, not complete. We need to add some candies. And yeah, so the speed boost stops right at the end. So you need to be more prepared when you jump. Like that. Perfect. All right, time for candies. This is the easiest. Where's the candies? Just like that. Under, I like to add 2 over. And we're gonna want to play test that with those off. They look like they're, okay, yeah, so this one we see is not on the correct Z, and we can take a look up and down the line, and everything else looks to be lined up. The more you make games, the better you'll be able to notice these little things. A bunch of candy here to entice the player. Okay, let's play test. Ooh, definitely challenging. When you make a game, you're automatically an expert at that game. Keep that in mind as you want your audience to be able to beat the level with some frustration. But it's up to you. You can make it super difficult. There are some dash games that are like impossible. It's all about what you're looking for when you're creating the experience. So let's go hit this and go 3. Zoom out just like before, select the camera, hit play. We'll move that tab to the left out, turn the camera on, select photo for the thumbnail, and now we can hit save, menu dash, level 3, go to unlisted, hit post. So level 3 is there, add to playlist. Okay, add it to the playlist that way maybe. So it says it's been added. I haven't added to a playlist like that before, so let's just go and double check. Okay, it looks like it's there, but it's behind this one, so we want to go to edit and tap that like that, and then we hit post. Looking good. If you like making games, on your phone or tablet with no code. Check out some more of my videos. Until next time, be safe out there. I'm Hype C, and peace.